Hey everybody, this is a help video for solving linear systems by graphing review. This is 1.2 for Math 1 Quarter 2. Let's jump right in. There's question number 1. It says, is it possible for a system of linear equations to have exactly two solutions? Let's think about what they're asking. A system of linear equations, that means two lines. Let's just make two lines. Y equals 2x plus 3. This is in the format y equals mx plus b in that general format, but I'm going to pick a number for m, that's the slope, and pick a number for b, that's the y-intercept. So here I just made up a line, y equals 2x plus 3. And how about y equals minus 3x, here I meant to do minus 3x, I don't know, minus 6. Just put some numbers there. So it says, could they have exactly two solutions? In other words, could they cross at exactly two places? Well, we're talking about straight lines. It seems to me that straight lines can either cross at one point, like this, or they could never cross, meaning that they're parallel, or they could cross at every point in the universe because they are the same line as each other, right? In that case, they would actually touch everywhere. So that's the possibilities. They can cross at one point. Oh, sorry, that's not. They can cross at one point. There we go. They can cross at no points, like this purple one, or they can cross at every point, meaning that they're the exact same line. So, is it possible to have two solutions? No, it isn't, but why? It's impossible for two lines to intersect? Oh, come on. Two lines can cross. That's not a problem. Is it possible? It's not possible for two lines to intersect exactly twice. Well, that's correct right there. Two lines can't cross twice because to do that, they'd have to bend in some way. All right, that's too much talking about that one. Let's keep going. Graphically, a solution to a system of equations corresponds to, so a solution to a system of equations, here's the solution right here. The solution corresponds to the point of intersection on a graph. So graphically on a graph, it's the point of intersection. It's where the two meet. Cool. How about this one? Is 2 comma negative 5 a solution? Let's see. 2 comma negative 5, that's right here. Is that a solution? No. No. The solution's down here, a little further down and to the right. How about this one? Find the slope. Well, the slope is what is it changing by? We can do rise over run. So if I pick a point here, let's pick this point at negative 4. I'm going to go down one box and over one box, down one box, over a box, down one box, over a box. So I'm going down one box and over one box. So I've got minus 1 over 1. Now the thing is, it says entered as a reduced fraction. So if I see, like, what is negative 1 over 1? Negative 1 over 1 is really the same as negative 1. So I'm just going to change that to negative 1. And notice there's a special video just for that question if you're stuck. And how about this one? Solve this one by graphing? Too easy. What we're going to do is y equals 2x plus 8 and y equals minus 4x minus 22. Type them both in, click where they cross, and you have your answer, minus 5 and negative 2. Just took this point right here and typed it in. Cool. Same thing. And this one, you'd have to graph them and then place a dot that indicates the solution. So you'd graph both lines and then put a dot. Let's do that one really quick. This first one here says you're starting at 8. Oh, that's going to be difficult. Here, let's type them in Desmos. So y equals 2x plus 8 and y equals x plus 5. And I'm going to hit the home default zoom here to kind of zoom that back out. So the black one, I'm going to turn the purple one off for a sec. The black one goes from -5 to 5 on the intercepts. So I'm going to do that. And I'm turning the black one off for a sec. Let's do the purple one. The purple one goes from 8 to -4. Now that's not very helpful because this graph doesn't go up high enough. So let's hit the gear and make this into a table. And now we can get some other dots that we can see that might be more helpful. So here we have -2, 4. We can click there. And in fact, I feel like I'd really like to know what -3 is. And that gets me a dot back here. I just added in some more. You can type them down here, whatever. You can type in any dots you want. Right? So now I can click on some more dots. So I have -2, 4. I already marked that one. And -3, 2. There we go. So -2, 4 and -3, 2. So once you get more dots out here, you can click on as many of them as you want and see where they should be. And then it says place a dot where the solution is. Cool. And this one's a little harder, but it's to get an A. So if you want to get an A, I think you can work a little harder. Okay, that's our video for this one. Thank you.